Hi guys, and welcome back, or welcome to the channel. So in this video we're diving into the world of one of the most influential design houses in automotive history, Ghia. From stunning Italian concepts to shaping the identity of Ford and Volkswagen. The Ghia badge is a symbol of excellence and timeless design. But how did this iconic styling house come to be? And what cars carried the legendary badge? Let's find out. Now, before I start, I want to apologise because there are a lot of Italian names in here and I'm just going to butcher the pronunciation. So here we go, and I apologise now. Our story begins in 1915 in Turin, Italy. Giacinto Ghia, a young and talented Italian designer, founded Carrozzeria Ghia and Cariglio. Hopefully I got that right. Initially, the company specialised in lightweight aluminium car bodies, catering to luxury marques such as Alfa Romeo, Lancia and Fiat. Ghia's reputation for quality craftsmanship and innovative design quickly grew. By the 1930s, the company was producing stunning streamlined cars that turned heads at European motor shows. After World War II, Ghia faced challenges rebuilding its factory, but under the leadership of Mario Buono and later Luigi Segre, the company saw a golden era in the 1950s. This is when Ghia truly made its mark in the automotive history. Ghia collaborated with major brands, creating bespoke luxury cars like the Chrysler Ghia Specials and the Ferrari 212 Inter. These were symbols of post-war glamour and luxury. In the 1960s, Ghia became known for its collaborations with Ford and Volkswagen. One of its most famous creations was the Volkswagen Carmen Ghia, a sleek, sporty coupe and a convertible version that blended German engineering with Italian styling. Meanwhile, Ford capitalized on the Ghia name to market upscale versions of the popular models like the Ford Capri, Escort and Granada. The Ghia badge cars became synonymous with comfort and refinement in the 1970s and the 1980s, and the top-end cars carried the badge to the end of 2006 to 2007 when it was phased out. By the 1980s, Ghia has been acquired by Ford. Its focus shifted to trim levels rather than unique designs. While the nameplate faded, Ghia's legacy lived on. Today, Ghia is remembered as a pioneer of automotive design, whose bold creativity left a lasting mark on the industry. So whether it's the timeless beauty of the Carmen Ghia or the understated elegance of a Ford Ghia, the legacy of the Italian styling house is undeniable.